Alright, so it's April 1st, 2017. I came up with this plan to prank my mom. So let me tell you the story. This past week, my mom sent me to pick up some groceries from the store. As I was driving back home, an idiot almost killed me. So I was driving and he almost hit me. He passed a stop that was supposed to be his. I told my mom the story and she was all worried. You know how moms get. So she's been a little paranoid. So right now, I told my mom I was gonna go get nasal spray, but I'm actually in a parking lot because I'm going to call her and tell her that I was just in a car crash. I'm calling my mother. Sorry, Mom.
Hello?
Mom.
Ew.
Someone just hit my car.
¿Qué? ¿En dónde?
I'm here at Walmart.
¿Y quién tuvo la culpa?
I don't know, the other person is in their car. They're calling the ambulance. What do I do?
Ay, mi hijo. Pues, ¿él te pegó?
He hit me. I was going into the parking space and he came from the front, so he like went faster and hit my car. I'm freaking out. I'm here at Walmart and my dad is on his way. He told me to just stay in my car.
Ay, Liz, si me estás haciendo broma, vas a ver, ¿eh?
Why would I be kidding about this?
En Walmart Verde, ¿verdad?
Oh my fucking god, this worked. I'm gonna drive back home. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's literally go.
No, o sea, quién sabe por qué se escuchaba así. ¿Y él tiene seguranza, hijita? Sí. ¿Te pegaría feo?
You realize it's April Fool's, right?
Ya, mendigo, vas a ver. No me estés haciendo esa broma, Luis. No me estés grabando, Luis. Ya, y no tan cerca. Luis.
Mom. Well, happy April Fools.
Ay, mendigo. Mendigo, mendigo, mendigo.